Welcome back to Grade 7 Math. This is lesson number 2.4, Congruent and Similar Figures. And if you have not watched the video for lesson 2.3, then you need to put this video on pause, or stop rather, so that you can go back and watch a video for lesson 2.3. If you have already seen that video, then let's proceed with this video now. In our previous lesson, we learned that congruent figures have the same shape and size. Today's lesson is about similar figures, figures that have the same shape but have different sizes. There are two important things to know about similar figures. One, corresponding angles in similar figures must be equal. Two, the lengths of corresponding sides must be in proportion. Let's look at some examples. Okay, so on both pairs of quadrilaterals, we can see a proportional relationship between the side lengths. The side lengths on the larger rectangle are 2 times the size of the side lengths on the smaller rectangle. We see the same proportional relationship between these two squares. And because we're dealing with squares and rectangles, we know that all of the corresponding angles are equal because they're all 90 degrees. All right, take a look at these triangles. You're going to put the video on pause and consider whether they are similar or not. And then once you've considered a response, hit play and we'll see how you did. So pause the video now. All right. If you said that these triangles were similar, you are correct. The side lengths are in proportion to each other. Again, the side lengths on the large triangle are 2 times the side lengths on the smaller triangle, and the corresponding angles are all equal. Put the video on pause to determine the length of this side of the triangle. All right, so comparing these first two sides, 5 times 3 is 15. For our next pair of sides, 4 times 3 equals 12. So for the final side, we think 3 centimeters times 3 equals, you got it, 9 centimeters. Put the video on pause so that you can consider whether these two triangles are similar. All right, let's see how you did here. No, these triangles are not similar. The corresponding side lengths are not in proportion whatsoever. All right, so this brings us to the end of this rather short video. If there's anything which you're not too sure about, you should go back and watch this video another 2 times. As well, let me know in tomorrow's class if there was anything from this video or the previous video that you had difficulty understanding, and we'll review it together in class. But then I will give you a selection of questions from your textbook for the lessons 2.3 and 2.4. But until we meet again, this concludes today's video.